وَاعْبُدْ رَبَّكَ حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الْيَقِينُ. What amazing, beautiful words from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide us in every moment of our lives, that we can remain close to Him and we can be in the shade of His mercy. I want to share with you a beautiful wisdom, and that is the doing of good deeds. Sometimes it is difficult for us to do. It has mashaqqa. And inna mashaqqat at-ta'at tadhhab wa yabqa thawabaha. You do good deeds for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it has its difficulties. For example, we fast in Ramadan, and sometimes maybe we felt thirsty, we felt hungry, we had headaches as we fasted. It has its difficulties. To wake up late at night, to be doing Taraweeh, to continue after midnight to do Tahajjud, and then shortly thereafter to have suhoor, and then to be up the next day, perhaps working and so on. It's difficult. Sometimes it's not easy to do good deeds. But the difficulties you face, the mashaqqa, the hardships you face in doing good deeds, after a while, that's forgotten. That's forgotten. And what remains with you and what remains for you are the rewards of the good deeds you have done. You may have gone through difficulties doing good deeds for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and now those difficulties are erased from our memories, soon to be forgotten. We don't remember those difficulties anymore. But what remains with us, what remains for us, what is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forever, the rewards, the blessings for the good deeds we have done for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we must remember this, that the hardships we may face in doing good deeds, in obeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, after a while, those things are forgotten. But what is never forgotten are the rewards for the good deeds we do for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in a similar way, ladhatul ma'asi. So, mashaqqatul ta'at on one hand, and ladhatul ma'asi. The enjoyments people may experience when they disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when they do wrong things. Sometimes shaitan makes it tempting, alluring, so attractive to do wrong things. And people think about the enjoyment they would experience, they would get when they do wrong things, to disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But those enjoyment are soon forgotten. After people may disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they do wrong things. After a while, the enjoyment they experience, it's all forgotten. And what remains is punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for disobeying Him. Except if we turn to Him, sincerely begging Him for His forgiveness, and He grants us that forgiveness. People may do wrong things, disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because there's some enjoyment in that. They experience some joy and happiness, but all of that goes away. All of that goes away. All of that is forgotten. And only what remains, we have to face Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and give accountability to Allah for the acts of disobedience, the ma'asi that we do. And the Prophet ﷺ reported have said that in the akhirah, there are people who would have suffered so much in this dunya, persecuted, and for one moment they're placed in Jannah, and they forget all of that difficulty. And then there are people who would enjoy the things of the dunya, disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, committing all kinds of transgression against others, enjoying the dunya. One moment they're placed in hellfire, and they forget all of that enjoyment. The only thing that remains is the punishment they must face. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from that.